How do you cope with the negative things that is happening in society or the bad things that is happening in society? We are all living in a society where there is equal amount of good and equal amount of bad. And the best way to cope with bad things in society is to ensure that you are not in that bad situation. We always say in Kannada, Dushtarinda Dura iru. In the same way, when you know something is bad, stay away from it. It might be drugs, it might be alcohol, it might be any form of other addiction or antisocial activities. Second, when there is something bad happening in society, ensure that you escape from that situation because your safety matters first, and then approach the relevant authorities. Do not try to be a superhero for the simple fact that you do not know what that ripple effect might lead to. Because I've seen people in some situations where they've been extremely courageous and had incidents of rage where later a gang of people have come searching for them and they've had a bad experience. So I always suggest people to ensure that their safety comes first. Second, they go to the relevant authorities. Third, they are courageous but they stand for their cause with the right support. When I talk about relevant authorities, I'm talking about all the issues that we have in our society. For example, for bribery, you have a lot of anti-corruption helplines. You can lodge police complaints or you can lodge complaints with the Lokayukta or relevant authorities like that. For gender discrimination, you have the children and the women's and children's cell. For sexual exploitation, you have helplines for that. You have relevant authorities for that. But if you can make a difference and if you have what it takes to make a difference, ensure that you stand united, ensure that you speak in numbers, and ensure that you fight against exploitation of the poor, bribery, sexual harassment, rape, security towards women, lack of education to the girl child, environmental pollution, bigotry, intolerance. Intolerance is something which is happening very, very openly, and we definitely have to be very, very compassionate to each other and understand that we all belong to this great nation. And of course, environmental pollution, which I've spoken enough about. The best way to cope is to become a person with enough authority or influence. And if you really want to bring in a change, get good education. Take up a civil services exam. Or if you have what it takes and if you're ready to become a politician or a future leader who leads by example, who changes the system or who becomes the change to completely cleanse the system. Help people in need. Ensure that people support you when it is 100% required. Ensure that you do community service. Ensure that you serve the society. And be the change that you want. And ensure that that change will happen with your consistent efforts, with support, with the required community backing you. And be the change that you want to be. Be the change that you expect in society. You may not be able to change the system overnight, but at least initiate the change. And I have also done my best to ensure that I be the change by helping young leaders become much more stronger. But now it is in your hands to fight against all the problems in society and bring in measurable changes rather than becoming keyboard warriors, which I see happening a lot these days.